ask this question. Show the how that this 5 by 2 in question it is asked like this: 5 by 2 minus 4 by 4 equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7. How this comes? We asked that. So this is the answer. A naught is 2, A1 is minus of, then AN is this, cos n minus 1 pi by n minus 1 minus cos n plus 1 pi by n plus 1. Okay, substitute that. After that, what you have to do? Give values for n. Give value for n minus 2. Start from 2. If you give 2, yes, sir. If you start from 2, then this will be 2 minus 1, that is 1 pi by 2 minus 1, that is 1. Here 3 pi by 3. Then here cos 2 pi plus. Here give 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 pi by 2. Here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 pi by 4. Cos 3 pi. Like this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First term will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next term will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, we have to give the values for n. Next, after this one as it is, this minus of cos x as it is, cos pi. What is cos pi value? That is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus cos 3 pi is minus 1. Minus of minus is plus 1. Plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM, you will get this much. Next, in this, similarly, cos 2 pi is plus 1. Cos 4 pi is plus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Take LCM, you will get 1 by 4. Next, in this, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Take LCM, you will get minus 2 by 15. Similarly, take here, it is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Take LCM, you will get 1 by 12. One by 12. Next, if you take LCM in this, minus 2 by, after subtraction, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 cos 2x by 3. Here cos 3x by 4. Here minus 2 cos 4x by 15. Here 1 cos 5x, 1 into cos 5x by 12. Next term will be minus 2 cos 6x by 35. Cos 6x I haven't written here. You write that, you will get minus 2 by 35 you will get. Next, from this and this minus 2 is there. Okay, take that minus 2 outside. For this, multiply by 2, multiply it by 2 and divide by 2. For here also multiply by 2 divided by 2. For here also multiply by 2 divided by 2. Sorry, not for this, this for this. Take 2 common. What happens? Here 2 cos 2x. In that, if you take 2 minus 2 common, cos 2x by 3. Here, if you take minus 2 common, it will become minus cos 3x by 8. Okay, similarly, take minus 2 common in all the terms. This will be left. After this, put x equal to pi by 2. Why? We don't want cos terms. We want only numbers. That's why put x equal to pi by 2. If you put x equal to pi by 2, this will become 2 into pi by 2, that will be pi. Here 3 into pi by 2 will be 3 pi by 2. Then this will be 4 into pi by 2 will be 2 pi. This will be 5 pi by 2. This will be 3 pi. Cos pi is minus 1 by 3. And this cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 by 2, 5 pi by 2 and cos 7 pi by 2 values are 0. So this value will become 0, this value will become 0, then cos 7 pi by 2 will also become 0. Only this term will be left. This term, and this term will be left. I will write down that. Next, take cross multiply this minus 2 or just multiply 2. If you take LCM here, pi minus 2 by 2, and this if it comes this side, pi minus 2 by 4. Okay, multiply minus inside, you will get this much. Any doubt in this? Somebody asked this. Up to this step, you understood? You're listening, right? Whether you understood up to this step. Just before that. Okay, put x equal to pi by 2. Wherever x is there, put pi by 2. What is x here? It will become pi by 2. Here also pi by 2. Next, here minus of cos in place of x pi by 2. Here 2 into pi by 2, that is pi. Here 3 into pi by 2 is 3 pi by 2. Here 5 into pi by 2 is 2 pi. Here 5 into pi by 2 is 5 pi by 2. Here 6 into pi by 2 is 3 pi. Okay. Next, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 2, cos 7 pi by 2 values are 0. Therefore, this term will become 0, this term will become 0. Then cos, cos n pi equal to minus 1 power n. If cos 1 pi is there, minus 1 power 1, that is minus 1. Cos 2 pi means plus 1. Cos 3 pi means minus 1. I will write that. So this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is 1. Okay. This as it is. Cos pi by 2, again, this is also 0. Transpose this 1 this side. Pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 1. Pi by 2 into 1 is pi by 2. Transpose the 1 this side. Pi by 2 minus 1. Then cross multiply this 2 after taking the LCM. Pi minus 2 by 2. So if you cross multiply this, pi minus 2 by 4. Minus, I will keep there itself. Multiply minus inside. You will get this much. You can write this 15 as 3 into 5. This 35 is 5 into 7. Okay, we'll go back to practical harmonic analysis. So practical harmonic analysis means finding out. In last class, I shared this screen. So introduction part of that. For this, you need calci. This is very easy. Okay, so f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. This is Fourier series. Okay, if you give values for, everybody mute yourself. If you give values for n, this will be a1 cos pi x by L plus a2 cos 2 pi x by L plus a3 cos 3 pi x by L, it will continue. Plus for this, B1 sine pi x by L plus B2 sine 2 pi x by L plus B3 sine 3 pi x by L, it will continue. Okay, I will group these two terms. A0 by 2 plus A1 cos pi x by L plus B1 sine pi x by L plus A2 cos 2 pi x by L plus B2 sine 2 pi x by L. This is one group. Plus B1 cos 3 pi x by L plus, sorry, this is A3. I'll write here A3 cos 3 pi x by L plus B3 sine 3 pi x by L. Okay, like this I will list out. This term is called first harmonic. This term is called first harmonic. Similarly, this term is called second harmonic, and this term is called third harmonic. Okay, so here in numerical practical harmonic analysis, what we'll do is we'll find out A1, B1. If they ask first harmonic, we'll find out A1, B1 and we will substitute. If they ask second harmonic, we'll find out A2, B2 and we will substitute. A0 also. Okay, if they ask third harmonic, we need to substitute A3, B3. Okay, how to find out that? We have the formula. We will share the notes. Again, see that formulas. See, electrical harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis process of finding the constant term. Constant term means A0, A1, B1, A2, B2 like this. And the first few cosine and sine terms numerically. Okay, first few cosine and sine terms numerically. The Fourier series of period 2 pi of a function y equal to, this is the Fourier series. We know that we did many problems. This is the Fourier series. A0 by 2 is the constant term and the group of terms A1 cos x plus I wrote A1. This is for period 2 pi. Therefore, here no pi x by L is not there. Since it is a period of 2 pi, pi x by L is not there. Why? L value is pi, pi get cancels, only cos x. It is a period of 2 pi, therefore L value is pi, pi will get cancelled, therefore it is cos x and here it is sin x. The group of terms A1 cos x plus B1 sin x and A2 cos 2x plus B2 sin 2x, etc. are called first harmonics, second harmonics, etc. Okay, what I told in writing there, so that is again that one only we are telling here. Where A0 is, this formula is important. A0 is 2 by n summation by, and An is 2 by n y cos nx. Y cos nx means if A1 is there, then y cos 1x. B1 is there, y, here it is y sin nx. This formula is y sin nx. Okay, these formulas are important. A0 is 2 by n summation by, Then an is 2 by n summation y cos nx. Bn is 2 by n summation y sin nx. Okay. This is the formula to find an, bn, and n. Okay, we'll go to first problem. Take out your calculus. This is very easy. If you have calculus and if you know how to solve, take out your calculus, write this problem. I'll explain how to solve this. After doing this problem, this numericals you have to solve. Just by seeing you can't understand. You have to solve if you want to understand thoroughly. Otherwise, you will feel and you understood everything. But when you took a calculus and if you try to solve, then you won't get it. That's why take out your calculus, write this problem. Step by step, we'll explain how to solve this. Copy down this first. Copy down the problem. Copy it. Understood what is first harmonic, what is second harmonics, what we need to find, and what are the formulas. This is last concept in this module for your series. So if you finish this module will complete. In today's class, we'll complete this. You can score 7 marks very easily. You will get pakka one question from this practical harmonic analysis. Okay, only thing is just use, you should know how to use calci properly. Okay. I will write and I will show. So these are the formulas. A0, AN and BN. These are the formulas for A0, AN and BN. So for 0 degree, 7.9, 60 degree, 7.2, for 120 degree, 3.6, for 180 degree, 0.5, for 240 degree, 0.9, 300 degree, Y value is 6.8. This is the given question. Obtain Fourier series neglecting terms higher than first harmonics. Means what we need to find? We need to find A0, A1, B1. We need to find A0, A1, B1. Why? Because first harmonic means A1 cos x plus B1 sin x. We need to find this. We need to find this. That's why we need A0, A1, B1. First thing is, what we want to do is, what is the interval here? Interval here is 0 to 300. Means, can I take the interval between 0 to 2 pi? The values, x values lies between 0 degree to 360 degree. Okay, the values lies between 0 degree to 360 degree. Okay, f of x here is a0 by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. What is a0 here? 2 by n summation y A1 A1 2 by n summation y cos x, B1 2 by n summation y sin x. Okay, this is the formula. We'll construct the table now. If you are writing, write this. Here the interval x is 0 to 360 degree, that is 0x lies between 0 and 2pi. We need to find, I will share these notes A0, A1 and B1. Need to find A0, A1 and B1. Okay, we'll start constructing table. List out, first write down what are the given values. X value for 0 it is 7.9, for 60 degree it is 7.2, for 120 degree it is 3.6, 180 degree 0.5, 240 degree 0.9, 300 degree 6.8, and summation means total. Okay, what we need summation y. Summation y, we need summation y cos x, summation y sin x. So y cos x, y sin x will write y cos x, y sin x. Okay, we need y cos x, y sin x. Write this table, write neatly. Now take out your calci. So first thing what we have to do, we need to check whether we have angle in degree or radian. It is showing here D. By default it will be in degree. So since x value is in degree, it should be in degree. Okay, D is there now. So it is in degree. Now use alpha. By pen I will press, then we can notice, press alpha, then this button, close bracket, x, alpha, this x, cos x, alpha, then this symbol below alpha, this symbol is there. Are you seeing? X colon, next colon, again alpha, again this alpha, then y, again this colon, y cos x, right? Alpha y, where is cos? Above this y only, cos alpha x, close the bracket, alpha, this colon, yes sir. Alpha y, then sin alpha x. Okay, this is what we need to give in calci. I will write and I will show here. X colon y colon y cos x colon y sin x. In calc, it will be like this. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Only one reply I am getting. X colon y cos x colon y sin x. After this, below this shift button, CALC button is there. Press that. Below that shift, CLC button. This one. Press that. It will ask X question mark. You can see here. It will ask X question mark. What is X value? That is 0. Give 0, then equals. It will ask X question mark. Give 0, then equals. Then it will ask Y question mark. Y question marks it will ask. What is the Y value? 7.9. Give that. 7.9 equals. Now it will show x0. Press equals again. Press equals again. It will show y value. Press equals again. It will show y cos x. Y cos x, that is 79 by 10. Press this SD. Press this. It will show in decimals. 7.9. Write that. Y cos x, that is 7.9. Press equals again. It will show. You press equals. It will show x. Press equals again. It will show y. Press equals again. It will show y cos x. Write that. Press equals again. It will show y sin x. Y sin x, that is 0. Write that. If you press equals again, it will ask x value. It will ask x value. Give 60. It will ask y value. Give 7.2. Press equals x equal to 60. Press equals y equal to 36 by 5. Press equals y cos x. It will show, that is 3.6. Press equals. It will show. Press this SD button. It will give 6.2352. Next equals again. X value 120. Y value 3.6. We need y cos x HD minus 1.8. Y sin x 3.1176. Write 4 digits after the point. Now x value, change 120 to 180. Y value 0.5. We need y cos x minus 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Y sin x, that is 0. X question mark means change the value 240. Y question mark means change to 0.9. Y cos x, press HD minus 0.7794. Sorry. Y cos x is minus 0.45. This is minus 0.7794. Press equals x question mark means 300. Y question mark means 6.8. 3.4. And this one is minus 5.3. 88889. Okay, these are the values for y cos x, y sin x. Now we need sum. We need sum y. What is a naught? A naught is 2 by n summation y. Summation y means sum of this. Summation y cos x, sum of this. Okay. Then y sin x, sum of this. What were you doing when I showed? Let me finish off this, then I will repeat. Let me finish off this question completely, then I will repeat again. Okay. Now take this sum. Sum, find out, add everything. Add everything. We'll get, you don't want sum of x, sum of y. If you add, directly I will write 26.9 you will get. Y cos x you will get 12.15. Y sin x you will get 2.6846. Okay, got this much. Oh. 2.6846. Now substitute in the formula. Substitute in the formula. Substitute in the formula. So what is the formula? A naught equal to 2 by n summation y. A1 equal to 2 by n summation y cos x. B1 equal to 2 by n summation y sin x. 2 by n. What is n? Number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values. 2 by 6. N is 6. 2 by 6 summation y. Summation y we got 26.9. Here it is there. 26.9. Next, 2 by 6 y cos x. Y cos x sum 12.15. Then 2 by 6 2.6846. So find out this value. To find out this value, you will get a naught as 8.9667, A1 as 4.05, then B1 as 0.8949. Okay, we'll get B1 as 0.8949. Okay, what is y? Y is a naught by 2, sorry, f of x or y, both are same. A1 cos x plus B1 sin x. A naught by 2, that is this by 2, 4.48335 you will get. Why? Because this is divided by 2 plus A1 4.05 cos x plus B1 0.8949 sin x. This is the answer. This is the answer. Any doubt in this? Only 3 to 4 people are responding. To do like this, I will just share this again and I will complete this syllabus. I won't take this much risk. Only 2 or 3 people are active in the class. This is very simple. Everybody should listen. I will agree that in the 4-year series is a little bit confusing, but not this one. This is very, very easy. Even if fifth standard students can solve if you know how to use calci. From now onwards, those who reply for them only will give attendance. You people are becoming very lazy. I will see who and all replying. For them only, I will give attendance. That's all. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 replies. Out of 65 students, only 8 replies. Only 8 of them understand. Only for 8 of them, I will give attendance. That's all. Okay, then also no replace. Only for 8 of them. For 8 students, I will give attendance. For others, anyhow, they are not listening. They just log in and then went to somewhere else. Seventeen, 18, still 18 students. 20, 21. Seriously, today I want your attendance, those who are not active in the class. Because this is very easy concept. And if you understand clearly, then it is easy. If you want to try by yourself, then it is very difficult. I can share the screen and I can complete the syllabus within 2 hours, or by next week I can complete whole syllabus. Then also I am teaching slowly, and by writing I am showing. So if you become lazy, then I will also see other options. But the 20 students will get attendance, not waste time. 24. 24 students will get attendance. Other students can just log in and they can go. They won't give any attendance. Somebody asked to explain this. From table you need, or from starting you want? Unmute and tell me. From table you want me to explain, or from starting? Starting means you are not attending the class. So this is the question. This is the question. Given the following table, X, Y, X0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, and respective Y values of 7.9, 7.2, 3.6, 0.5, 0.9, then 6.8. What we need to find, obtain Fourier series neglecting terms higher than first harmonic. Neglecting terms higher than first harmonics. Wait, I will take that attendance. Those who replied, for them, I will mark attendance, then I will explain because the session may end. Also, right on this second question, those who understood, solve this. Those I haven't understood, I will explain. Write the second question. Given the following table, x 0, this one. Compute the first two harmonics. Write this first second question. Compute the first two harmonics of the series of f of x given the following table: x 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, pi by 3, 2 pi. F of x respective f of x values: 1, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2, and 1.0. Write this. In this question, one small change. What is that? Here, if you see, this first value, for 0 it is 1.0. For 2 pi it is 1.0. Okay, it is coming back. 0 to 2 pi means 0 to 2 pi means it is coming back to this 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so here values are same. You can take any one value, either first value or last value. No need to take both the values. Okay, this is the difference between previous problem and this one. In previous problem, we had only up to year. Okay, started from this up to 300-degree we had. For 360-degree also they gave in this. Therefore, you have to take either 0 value or 360-degree. We need to take only you're hearing now. Had some interruption. Sorry for that. Are you hearing? Okay, we'll take second question. In previous problem, we had from 0 degree to 300 degree. Here from 0 to 360 we have. 0 to 360 means full sun circle it will come. Either you take first 0 value or 360 value. No need to take both. Okay, that's what they are telling here. We have values of f of x equal to y in the interval 0 to 2 pi, and hence we have omit the last value f of 2 pi equal to 1.0, which is same as of f of 0. The relevant table for the computing first two harmonics as follows. First two harmonics we need to calculate. Okay, for that we'll construct the table. We'll write x value, y value, x value 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, and y value 1, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, and 1.2. 1.2. Now what we need? We need A naught, A naught, A1, B1, A2, B2. What is the formula? 2 by n summation y. This is A naught. Then A1 is 2 by n summation y cos x. B1 is 2 by n summation y sin x. A2 is 2 by n summation y cos 2x. 2 by n summation y sin 2x. Or maybe one more. For pi you take 180. For this it is given in 180. Sorry, pi. Pi means in place of pi take 180. 180 by 3 is 60. Here also 2 into 180 by 3. Here also 180. Here also 4 into 180 by 3. Here also 5 into 180 by 3. It will reduce us to degree. Now, in Calc, those who didn't understood previous one, how to calculate in Calc, listen here. I will explain by step again. More sheet I need. So first thing, what we have to do is we have to press alpha, then x, or directly you can go for y cos x colon y sin x colon y cos 2x colon y sin 2x. Okay, give this in Calc. How to give this? Alpha y cos here alpha x, close the bracket, colon. Below this alpha colon is there. Below this alpha colon is there. Next, alpha y here sin alpha x, close the bracket, again colon, y cos 2x, alpha y cos 2 alpha x, close the bracket, again colon, alpha y sin 2 alpha x, close the bracket again. Okay, understood? Directly give y cos x I'm directly giving this y cos x colon y sin x colon y cos 2x colon y sin 2x. Okay. Next, press CALC. Press CALC. CALC, it will ask y value. Y value, be careful, give 1. Then it will ask x value. X value, give 0. It will show y cos x value. List out that values. Y cos x, y sin x, y cos 2x, y sin 2x. Okay, press equals. It will show y cos x as y cos x as 1, y sin x as 0. Then use equals, y cos 2x as 1, then y sin 2x as 0. Okay, press equals again. It will ask y value again, give 1.4. If it is asking question mark, means that is it is asking the value. Then x value, that is 60. Y cos x, it will be 0.7. Y sin x, that is 1.2124. Y cos 2x minus 0.7. Then y sin 2x 1.2124. Again it will ask y value, give 1.9. 1.9, it is asked x value, give 120. Y cos x minus 0.95. Like this, list out all the values. I'm not telling anything. I'm just writing. You just write down 0392 minus 0.6 minus 1.0392. Somebody is asking, colon is not visible. Below alpha, colon is there. Here, this one. Below alpha, colon, this button. This button is colon. Okay. This much values you will get. We need summation y. Summation y. Add all these things. So if you add all these things, 1 plus 1.4 plus 1.9 plus 1.7 plus 1.5 plus 1.2, you will get 8.7. Y cos x, you will get minus 1.1. Y sin x, you will get minus, y sin x 5196. Y cos 2x, you will get minus 0.3, and y sin 2x minus 1732. This much you will get. Okay, this much you will get. Substitute here. All the values we have. A naught 8.7 divided by what is n? N is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is 6. 2 by 6 into 2, 8.7. Then 2 by 6 into y cos 2x minus 1.1. Calculate and tell me the answer. Calculate and tell me the answer. So somebody was asking, we need to explain this again from starting. Whether you understood? Find out and tell me the answer. Do it quickly. V1. A1, 6, 7. Two. Look yourself and do the problem. If you have doubt, unmute and ask me. You can write the values. You just cross check. A0, 2.9. A1 minus 0.367. B1 0.1732. 34. Mute yourself. A2 minus 0.1. B2 minus 0.0577. These are the A1, A2, A3, sorry, A1, A2, B1, B2 values. So first two harmonics they asked, first two harmonics, not function they asked. So what we have to do? You have to write 34 counting yourself, otherwise I will remove. You want to
हेलो
mute it?
हाँ अच्छा अच्छा अरे मेरे को अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट जाना होगा बैंक। हाँ बोल रहे हैं।
First two harmonics means a1 cos x plus b1 sin x, and second harmonics means a2 cos x plus b2 sin x. A1 means minus 0.367 cos x plus b1 means 0.1732 sin x. A2 is minus 0.1 cos x plus b2 is minus 0.0577 sin x. This much is enough. No need to write f of x. No need to write f of x. This much is enough. Is it visible? It's visible, right? I think it is visible. I'm seeing in laptop. No, ma, it's not blur. Connected to both devices to check whether it is blur or not. Maybe your internet connection may be slow. Okay, this is the answer. We'll go back to next problem. Express. I will share that question. Write that question, then I will come back to this later. This is the question. Express y as a Fourier series to the third harmonics given the following values: x0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y equal to 4. Respective y values are 4, 8, 15, 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. Okay. Write this one. Write the problem, then I will start explaining. You can have the question. So we removed that person who is disturbing. So if I listen again, I will ask to mute. Otherwise, I will remove. I don't want others to be disturbed. Okay. Now, x value lies between 0 and 6. Okay. So 0 less than x less than 6. And take 6 because that is the multiple of 2. Okay, take between 0 to 6 So 2L is 6. This value is 2L. Correct? This value is 2L. 0 to 2L. What is L value? 6 by 2, that is 3. That's why I'm taking 6. Okay. L value is 3. Now, what is f of x? F of x is a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. Give values a naught by 2, first three harmonics, right? So give three values for n. A1 cos pi x by L. So I will give 3. So L value is 3. Let me write one more step here. A naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by 3. A naught by 2 plus first three harmonics means first three values. A1 cos pi x by 3 plus b1 cos 2 pi x by 3 plus b3 cos 3 pi x by 3. Three values for this. b1 sin pi x by 3 plus b2 sin 2 pi x by 3 plus b3 sin 3 pi x by 3, so on. Group the terms. Group a1 with b1, a2 with b2, a1 cos pi x by 3 plus b1 sin. Any doubt? Yes and 4. A2, A3. Sorry. This is A2, this is A3. Any doubt? Yes and 4. B1 sin pi x by 3. This is first harmonic. A2 cos 2 pi x by 3. B2 sin 2 pi x by 3. This is second harmonic. A3 cos 3 pi x by 3 plus B3 sin 3 pi x by 3. This is third harmonic. Only third harmonic they asked. Okay, we write third harmonic. Now, for simplicity, let pi x by 3 be theta. This is extra step in this. Okay, let pi x by 3 be theta. What happens to this? A naught by 2, A1 cos theta plus B1 sin theta plus A2 cos 2 theta plus B2 sin 2 theta plus A3 cos 3 theta plus B3 sin 3 theta plus so on. Okay, this is f of x. F of x or y. Now we construct the table. Understood up to here? Understood? Okay. Understood means I will go to table. Table. First thing, what it is given? X it is given, but if you see here, we don't have x. We changed this x to theta. Correct? We changed this x to theta. So in between x and y, write theta. What is theta? Theta is pi x by 3, y as it is. Now, what are x values? X values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Theta is pi x by 3, means pi into 0 by 3, that is 0 only. Theta equal to 0 into pi by 3, that is 0. And here theta is 1 into pi by 3, that is 60 degree. 2 into pi by 3, that is 120 degree. This is 180 degree, 240 degree, 300 degree. See, again it is changed to degrees. Correct? Change to degrees. Now y as it is. Y is 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. What we need? We need cos theta, sin theta, cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Okay. Y cos theta, y cos 2 theta or y sin theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin 2 theta, y cos 3 theta, y sin 3 theta. Okay, this much we need. Understood? Be careful. Now this won't come for calculation. This won't come for calculation. Only this theta will come. This won't come for, this x won't come for calculation. This theta will come. Use colon. Y cos x only you can use in calc. Y sin x colon y cos 2x colon y sin 2x colon y cos 3x colon y sin 3x. Okay, press CALC. Press CALC. It will ask y question mark, give 4. It will ask x question mark, give this 0 in angle values. Okay, in calc we are using x for theta. Don't get confused. Give 0, press equals, it will show all the values. Write down. Will you calculate this? Any doubt in this? I will tell the answer. You need to calculate. Will you do this? If you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have doubt, you can ask. If you have doubt, you can ask, or you can try this. Can you try? You try this or what? You try this or you want me to explain? Okay. You try. One last question is there. I'll explain that. You try, I will write the answer or I will share the notes. If you have any doubt, you can see that notes. We'll go to that last question. Again, write that question. This is the question. The following table gives the variation of a periodic current A over a period T. T0, T by 6, T by 3, T by 2, 2T by 3, 5T by 6, T. Amplitude 1.98, 1.30, 1.05, 1.30, 0, minus 0.88, minus 0.25, 1.98. If you see these two values, first value and last value is same. So you can use any one value. Okay, any one value you can use. So omit this last one. Show that there is a constant part of 0.75 amplitude. Constant part means that A0 value is 0.75. A0 value is 0.75 in the current A, and also obtain the amplitude of the first harmonic. First harmonic means we need to find A1, D1. Okay, write this question. And this question I will explain. It's easy only. This one 0.75 not A0 value. A0 by 2 value. That is the constant. A0 by 2. A0 you will get double of the 0.75. That is 1.5 you get. Here the interval is 0 to T. Here the interval is 0 to T. So what is 2L? This is 2L. What is L? L is T by 2. Okay. If you see that previous one, cos pi x by L we took, right? So L value is cos pi x by T by 2. Cos 2 pi x by T. But we don't have x, we have T, therefore this will become T. In problem you can see they gave T time. So here x won't come, T will come. 2 pi T by T. So take this as theta. What is theta now? 2 pi T by T. This is theta. This is theta. Understood? If you find out theta, then T value will be same. Find out theta, A value will be same. 0, T by 6, T by 3, T by 2, 2T by 3, 5T by 6. We should not consider last value because first value and last value are same. If you substitute here, this will become 0. If you substitute here, it will become 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. A value, it is given 1.98, 1.30, 1.05, 1.30, minus 0.88, minus 0.25. Find out A cos theta, A sin theta. A is in calci you take y cos x colon y sin x. Okay. Try this. Try this also. Any doubt in this? Finding out theta 2 pi T by T. Or any doubt in this harmonic analysis? Any doubt in the harmonic analysis? If you have doubt, tell me. Harmonic analysis, if you have doubt, tell me. See notes again, I'll share the notes. You have doubts, then tell me in next class. That is tomorrow.